A total of 10,428 venture capital, that is VC funding deals, were announced in the US in 2022 with a disclosed funding value of $193.9 billion according to the deals database by Global Data. The leading data and analytics company reveals that this represents a massive 40.8% decline in the value of VC funding compared to 2021. The deals volume also fell by 24.9%. Hello and welcome to VAR India News Hour. The venture capital deal count in 2022 for the full year was 15,852, down 14% from 18,521 in 2021. And the deal value was $238.3 billion, down 30% from $344.7 billion a year earlier, according to a report by Pitchbook and the National Venture Capital Association, that is NVCA. On an annual basis, angel and seed stage deal activity remained relatively resilient in 2022, with $21 billion invested across an estimated 7,261 deals. However, the 4 consecutive quarters of declining deal counts could foreshadow a continued slide in 2023. The seed stage deal sizes and pre-money valuations demonstrated notable growth over the 2021 figures, due in part to a large number of actively investing micro funds as well as the participation of non-traditional and crossover investors as per Venturebeat. Experts say there was a significant slowdown in global deal activity, with factors such as the Russia-Ukraine conflict, inflationary pressures, macroeconomic challenges, and recession fears denting deal-making sentiments across several key markets globally, and the US is not immune to these headwinds. However, despite the decline, the US continues to be the top market worldwide, accounting for 47.6% of global VC funding value and 37.8% of volume in 2022. Analysis of Global Data's financial deals database reveals that VC funding value in other key global markets such as China, the UK, and India fell by a respective 46.4%, 24.3%, and 38.2% in 2022 as compared to 2021. With the ongoing wave, investors have become cautious, and there have been massive falls in average US VC funding sizes, that is, from $23.6 million in 2021 to $18.6 million in 2022. There was also a significant decline in the number of big-ticket deals. For instance, the number of VC deals announced in the US valuing more than or equal to $100 million stood at 499 in 2022 as compared to 839 such deals in 2021. Going forward, retail investors can rest assured. Online startup investing has been growing quickly, and it is still a thriving market. Even if total investments are down in 2022, it won't be too far off from last year's total. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Neglecting debt risks may trigger global recession. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman stated that global debt vulnerabilities are on the rise and posed threats of systemic global debt crisis, and ignoring the rising debt vulnerabilities of various nations can trigger a global recession. She also said that strengthening multilateral development banks is key to addressing the global challenges of the 21st century. NCLT approves PVR-INOX merger. Multiplex operators PVR and INOX have received the National Company Law Tribunal's Mumbai bench approval for their merger. The merger ratio that has been approved is 3 shares of PVR for 10 shares of INOX. The tribunal approved the scheme of merger in a verbal order, and a written order is expected over the next 15 to 20 days. Cognizant appoints ex-Infosys president as CEO. Cognizant has appointed Ravi Kumar S. as the new CEO, replacing Ryan Reynolds. Ryan Reynolds joined the company in 2019 and will remain as special advisor till March 2023. Ravi Kumar spent 2 decades at Infosys and eventually became the president in early 2016 and was there until October 2022, heading multiple roles. T-Mobile to reportedly acquire Ryan Reynolds Mint Mobile. T-Mobile US Inc. is considering an acquisition of Mint Mobile, the budget wireless provider backed by actor Ryan Reynolds. However, no final decision has been made. The actor owns about 1/4 of the company. Mint Mobile offers budget cell phone plans on the T-Mobile network starting at $15 per month. RajeevChandrasekhar says government won't allow online gaming industry sees self-regulatory body. IT Minister RajeevChandrasekhar has said that the government is committed to growth of online gaming with new rules safeguarding digital citizens, but will not allow hijacking of the proposed self-regulatory body that will operate at arm's length from the industry and have equitable representation. SRO, or the self-regulatory body, will be an institutional body that will be tasked with registering online gaming intermediaries and certifying what is permitted online game and what is not. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.